Hey there, welcome to Beginner Dance Tutorials. I'm Carrie Mitchell, and today we're going to learn Meghan Trainor's Shimmer dance. This dance was choreographed by Charm LaDonna. This is just my interpretation. We're going to break down the moves nice and slow, step by step, using a lot of repetition, having some fun. Please note this video is going to be the tutorial only, so you will not find any music in this video. However, I have another video where I will dance it with music, and that one's linked down in the video description or up here in this card. So go check out that other video when you're ready to practice with music. All right, let's dance. Here we go. We're breaking the moves down into counts of 8, and there are 2 that repeat. So 4 8 counts total, but just 2 to learn. Here we go, our first 8 count. You're gonna start with your hands on your hips, and I'm gonna lean into that or sit into that right hip. You're gonna take your left hand and it's gonna go circling around your face. I'm gonna lean to the left and then lean to the right, and I'm just kind of shifting my weight side to side as I do that. That's gonna be 1, 2, you're gonna keep your weight in that right foot so that you can step that left foot across. So now we're facing this right corner, and you're gonna pull your flexed hands back, 3 and 4. So we're going forward, hit, and you're sitting down on that second one. Break that back, or whatever it says. I never know lyrics, don't judge me. Pop, back, pop, 3 and 4. So our first 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna circle and sit over to the left. 1, 2, then step across, 3 and 4. Try it. 5, 6, 7, left hand goes 1, 2, then 3, 4. From here, you're just gonna turn to the front and point your fingers down at your heels, if you have heels on, or just your tennis shoes if you don't. That's gonna be on 5. Keep the hands there, but you're gonna pop your hip and 6. So you're gonna go 5 and 6. We're sitting down, 5 and 6. So this was 3 and 4, 5 and 6. On 7 and 8, you're gonna take your arms, my goodness. They're gonna cross and hit out to your shoulders. So she says never, and then we're gonna pull them down. So we're going hit, hit. They're coming across and out, and then across and down. And I'm gonna sit into the left side both times. So this is and 7, 8, and 7, 8, 7, 8. So from here we did 3, 4, you turn to the front, 5 and 6, you're gonna step out, and 7 and 8. So you start on and. 5 and 6 and hit, point, hit, hit, and pull and down. And that's 1 8 count down. Woo! So our first 8 count. We start with our hands on our hips. We're gonna lean to the left and go 1, 2, step across, 3, 4. Now we point 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. I remember. Try it again. 5, 6, 7. Circle your left hand. 1, 2 to the corner. 3, 4. Heels. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Again. 5, 6, 7. Left hand goes 1, 2, then 3, 4. Point 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 8 count down. Great job. Remember, it's a recorded tutorial. You can pause it, practice whenever you need to. When you're ready to go on to our second 8 count. We did 7, 8. Now we're gonna lean to the right. Hands are gonna pull over your head. 1. Then they're gonna clasp together and you're gonna fold in 2 over to your left side. So you're pulling those arms over to the left, pulling that right foot in. So we're going sit to the right, pull into the left. That's 1, 2. Just try that. We go right, left. Try it one more time. This is 1, 2. You're gonna step back out with your right. We're gonna do a little circle. So your arms are gonna circle. I'm going this way. And your body kind of does a little circle with it. That's 3. We're gonna sit 4, 5. So you're gonna take the momentum for your circle, sit into the right leg, left knee pops, left hand comes on your hip, Right hand's gonna come out to the side like this with your palm down, and I'm gonna look at that hand. There's a lot going on there. So this was 1, 2, you circle 3, 4, 5. So you have 4, 5 to get to that point. Again, so we finished 7, 8. So we're gonna take our arms up and lean to the right. 1, left, 2, circle 3, then 4, 5. On 6, you're just gonna come up and switch your hand this way and pop your head to the front. So this is 5, 6, then you're just gonna bounce to the left, 7, bounce back to the right, 8. Yeah, so this was 5, 6, 7, 8. You're here on 5, you're gonna flip 6, but we don't change our weight until 7, 8. And that's your second 8 count. So really slow. We finished here, 7, 8. You're gonna take the arms overhead. 1, then to the left, 2, circle 3. Take that right arm up, 4, 5, we flip and look, 6, we sit left, 7, sit right, 8. And that hand just stays up there for 7, 8. I'll count you in. We're gonna go 1, 2, ready, 5, 6, 7, you can do it right. 1, left, 2, circle 3, 4, 5, turn 6, then 7, 8. Yeah, try that again. 5, 6, 7 to the right. We go 1, left, 2, circle 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, very nice. You're doing awesome. Let's put our 2 8 counts together really slow. So from the top, we have our hands on our hips. Here's your preview. You're gonna go to the left, circle the face. 1, 2, step across. 3 and 4, point down. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 to the right. 1 to the left, 2, circle 3, right arm up, 4, 5, we flip it, 6, we switch, 7, switch, 8. Yeah, I'm gonna count you in. We're gonna do those 2 8 counts. You can do it. So from here, you're gonna wrap that left arm across. 5, 6, circle your face on 1, 2, corner, 3, 4, point 5 and 6, 7, to the right. 1, left, 2, circle 3, up, 4, 5, flick, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, very, very nice. And that is technically all the choreography. You're just gonna repeat it. So you did 5, 6, 7, 8. Your weight's here in this right hip. We're gonna switch your hands and the left arm's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're just gonna repeat those 2 8 counts. So let's practice the transition. From here, you're gonna go 1. So this was 7, 8, left arm, 1, 2, to the corner, 3, 4, point down, 5, hip, hip, and 7, and 8, arms up, 1, to the left, 2, circle, 3, up, 4, 5, flick, 6, 7, 8. I keep saying flick, but I mean flip. Great job. All right, let's do our 4 8 counts really slow. So 2 8 counts, we're gonna repeat them, go right back into them. Are you ready? You're ready. So we're gonna go 1, 2, ready? 5, 6, 7, left circles. 1, 2, corner. 3, 4, point 5 and 6 and 7 and to your right. 1, 2, circle. 3, 4, 5, flip, 6, 7, start it over. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, point 5 and 6, cross 7, down 8, right 1, left 2, circle 3, 4, 5, flip 6, then 7, 8. Yeah, you did it. Great job. You're doing an awesome job. We're going to do all 4 8 counts again, maybe a smidge faster, maybe. You can do it. I believe in you. Left hand's going to circle. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, circle 1, corner 3, 4, point 5 and 6, out 7, 8 to the right. Left circle 3, 4, 5, flip 6, sit 7, start it over. 1, 2, corner 3, 4, point 5 and 6 and 7 to your right. 1, 2, circle. 3, 4, 5, flip, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, fantastic job. It is quite a bit faster with the music, but that's okay. We got to do it slow before we can do it fast and work up to that. We're going to do it one more time here together. We're going to go a little faster, and then you'll have that other video with music when you're ready to go up to the actual tempo of the song. And then use these different tempos. Go back, watch them as many times as you need to feel good with it before moving on to the faster version with music. Let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. You can do it. Left. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Point 5, and 6, and 7, and 2. You're right. 1, 2, circle. 3, 4, 5, flip. 6, 7. Start it over. 1, 2, corner. 3, point. 5, and 6, and 7, and 2. You're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, flip. 6, 7, 8. Amazing job. And that was our tutorial. Thank you so much for joining me. A short, sweet dance. She says, I don't sweat, I shimmer. I sweat, y'all. I wish I could say that I shimmer, but no, I'm a sweaty mess over here. So if you are too, that's okay. If you're shimmering, that's great too. Remember, when you're ready to practice with music, it's in a separate video. It's linked down in the video description. So go check that out when you're ready to practice with music. If you had fun today and you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, please hit that subscribe button to be notified when new tutorials are released. Thank you again for joining me. I had so much fun dancing with you. I hope you had fun too. Please go have an incredible rest of your day. Be kind to others, be kind to yourself, and please come back and dance with me again in another tutorial. Bye, y'all.